China is where virtually all smartphones are produced, but chances are that if you're in North America, you're not familiar with any Chinese smartphone brand. Huawei, OnePlus and Xiaomi are three companies that produce some interesting phones, with some equally interesting ideas about how the software of a smartphone should look and behave. OnePlus has been selling phones in the US for some years, and creates devices aimed at an enthusiastic audience, with high-end specifications and simple software adjustments. Your Android version is not far from what you can find on a Google Pixel phone. At the other end of the spectrum is the Mi Mix 2 from Xiaomi, which has a completely revised Android that looks a lot more like the EOS than anything that comes out of Google. Still cannot buy Xiaomi phones in the US. But the company says it may be changing in the next year or two. For what it's worth, the company has been bothering their phones to come to the United States for years, so we'll have to see if it continues for this time. The Huawei version of Android divides the difference between what OnePlus and Xiaomi do. It has some elements of Google's Android with many combined EOS ideas. Unfortunately, it does not work as well and does not do justice to the high-end hardware that Huawei produces. And then there's Huawei's fight with the US government. That would be much happier if the company did not do any business in the United States.